Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jeep Journals. Today I'm showcasing 3 black beauties. 2 are by Benchmade, 1 is by Rhino, and well, to be honest, one of them is a Benchmade that also has been paired with Rhino. So what do you mean? Well, let's go ahead and start out with the Rhino knife. The Rhino knife I've provided a separate review on in terms of its actuation and what I think about it. I think it's a superb cutting utility, and I liked the glow scales so much that I purchased some glow scales for my Benchmade Bugout, also by Rhino. So this is the Benchmade Bugout with the Rhino scales. It's a custom Benchmade Bugout that's been blacked out. The reason I got this Benchmade knife is actually because I had loaned this knife out to somebody and they damaged it quite a bit, or at least they marked it all up. There you can see some scuffing and scratching, and so now it's got some personality, and it's still a good knife, but it's not in the condition that I would have kept it in. And so just to remind you right quick, on eBay, today is October the 5th. There are 2 more days to go on the auction for this particular locking knife, which is a Benchmade Osborne. It's the 943 SBK, which I think is a gorgeous knife. I've replaced the pocket clip with a deep carry MGX gear, or MXG gear. I cannot remember which variation it is. I'll put the link in the description. But I've upgraded it to have a different deep carry pocket clip than was issued by the factory. So that brings up one thing about this pairing. I also added a special clip to this Bugout, and this particular Bugout no longer has a deep carry clip. It's a little tougher to put this onto your pocket, possibly because it's so short, and also because it's not a deep carry clip. But whatever the case, I may return to the original Benchmade Bugout pocket clip. In the meantime, I think the one by Rhino is just great. It's got just enough lip to where you can slide that down onto your pocket slip without much effort. So in terms of these 3 black beauties, this one is currently for sale. This one I got because of the tritium glow scales, which I really enjoy. And ultimately, I believe I'm going to be using the Benchmade with the Rhino scales as my everyday carry, because this custom knife has the serrated blade that allows me to cut through many things quite easily, and its casing is not anodized or powder coated. So in other words, this isn't going to scuff up or scratch up that I can tell, whereas this might. So I use this by the nightstand, which I've also kind of described in another video. But all in all, I still believe that the Benchmade Osborne, look at that subtle detailing on it with the blue spacer that's in there. I think that the Benchmade Osborne is still one of the most premium knives that are out there. The shape on it is very unique, and to me it reminds me of something like a stealth jet. Anyway, what do you think? Please click on the description for more information. Click on comments to leave a comment. Click on subscribe, and definitely click on like if you like this video. Have a great day. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.